So here arrives the Gaggia Classic Pro. I waited it for so long, preparing for the unboxing. The packaging part of it was so nice to see. The sellers thought of it. It was so well packed, as you will see, and well enveloped into the foam. On the inside of the box I could not see even one line of scratch. Here is the product. The sight of it was so fulfilling to my eyes. A product so well built and yet so simple from the inside. It was first time that I am seeing this product, so it took me some time to figure out where the smaller parts are going, but it's intuitive. You can easily figure it out. There's the kitchen where I prepared a stand for the product. Here's me disassembling, added an RTD to the boiler. I could not get away from Robert's video on YouTube, which is an entirely complete guide for adding a PID to your Gaggia Classic Pro. Highly recommend it if you want one. Special thanks to Majestic Bean Channel, Mr. Goran and Team. There's me putting the RTD boiler back. It's a bit tricky, but you'll find the placement of it is really nice. Only 4 bolts with the frame and it holds well. Next was preparing the SSR or the solid state relays. I went for 2 solid state relays, one for brewing and the other for steam. The tedious part was preparing the terminals, so many, and crimping for the terminal preparation, splicing the wires. The good part was the frame has slots at the back in the new Gaggia Classic Pro where you can fit the relays. There's me tightening the relay screws. The tedious part, another one, was figuring out a way to route all the wires through the sleeve, since I wanted to have a nylon sleeve but I could not get it in time. I had to do away with the heat shrink itself, and the decision came out actually better. The entire strand of wires got into the sleeve like it's a cable. It formed a cable. The relay that I prefer to use was Select TC544C with 2 set points. There's me wrapping it up. here it is in action.